Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by physically connecting the console cable to the switch in your computer. Plug the RJ45 end into the switch console port, then attach DB9 or USB adapter to your PC. Once connected, open your terminal program. Configure port settings to 9600 baud, A10.1, and disable flow control. This matches Cisco defaults so you see boot output and prompts. Once done, press Enter to wake the CLI. If you don't see text, check the correct COM/TTY ports. After you reach the CLI, log in or enter Enable Mode to make changes. You do this because Privileged Mode allows configuration. Use Configure Terminal to set a host name and create an Enable secret for security, then assign an IP address to the management VLAN so you can later use SSH. Once you apply the interface VLAN and default gateway, save with write memory. Make sure to document credentials and IPs. This prevents lockout when you move to remote access. Finish by saving your configuration and verifying interfaces and routes so the switch boots with your settings intact. Test remote access using SSH to the management IP to confirm network reachability. Keep the console attached during initial testing in case you need to recover. If you encounter no console output or garbled text, check adapter drivers, correct COM or TTY selection, and reseat the cable. These are the most common causes. If problems persist, try another terminal app or adapter to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.